Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my newest listing here in the northwest side of Las Vegas. Now, if you're looking for a 2-story home, 5 bedrooms, over 2,100 square feet, and priced in the mid 400,000s, well, don't go anywhere guys. You guys are gonna wanna check this out. All right, welcome to my newest listing, 8469 Cheerful Brook Avenue. Now this house is 2,118 square feet, 5 bedroom, 3 bath, and it's priced at $460,000, okay? Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're right off of the 18th freeway in Durango, okay? So we're about 25 minutes away from the Strip, about 30 minutes away from the airport. Now, let me go ahead and show you guys the neighborhood, okay? So again, we're here in the northwest side of Las Vegas. Something that's really nice is this house sits right in front of the park, so you don't have any neighbors right in front of you. And if you're actually looking from the window on the second floor, you could actually see there's pretty mountain views over there, okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so headed to the entry door. So right here, you're gonna have an 8-foot door, which is really nice. The first floor, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings. Now welcome in guys. So as soon as you walk in, it definitely feels very open. And one thing I like about this is take a look at the high ceilings. Okay. Cool. So yeah, you have this nice little area right here. Now here, what we'll do is we're gonna start out to the left. Okay. So you're gonna have a laundry room, washer and dryer. This washer and dryer is fairly new. I'll show you guys the garage. Let me turn on the lights real quick. Okay, so we do have a 2-car garage. Okay, and then we do have it's gonna be a water tank all the way in the corner. Now right in here, you're gonna have your sink, your toilet, as well as your walk-in shower. Okay, nice little window up here to allow for some natural light to come in. Now you do have a bedroom downstairs. Okay, cool. So you also have this light up here. Nice. So this is going to be the closet, but something that's nice too is you also have like storage space down here. It looks like, okay, so you have quite a bit of storage space. Okay, so we'll go ahead and make our way towards the kitchen. Now right over here, you're gonna have a coat closet. Okay, you're gonna have your stairs that go to the second floor. As you can see, it does have a landing step. You have the white mission style railing. Okay, welcome to the living room. Nice and cozy living room. Very open kitchen. Okay, and as you can see, this island is pretty wide as well. So my clients actually upgraded this island. It used to be a lot more, a little bit thinner. They made it more wider, which is nice. Now over here, you're gonna have your pantry. Okay. All the appliances are included. My client is leaving all the appliances. Okay. Now over here, you still have some cabinets. Okay. Oh, soft close as well. And then here, I'll take you to see the backyard. So very easy maintenance backyard. Looks like we have these large pavers here. Okay, so this is going to be the gate to go to the side of the yard. Okay. Yeah, very low maintenance backyard. All right, so let's head up to the second floor. Okay. So the way the floor plan is designed, as soon as you get to the second floor, to the left, you're gonna have your primary bedroom. And then to the right, you're gonna have the hallway with 3 bedrooms, okay? So we'll start over here. So you're gonna have your full bath, dual sinks. So you got your toilet, the shower tub. All right. So you got your linen closet in here. This is gonna be a guest bedroom. Okay, it looks like we have the attic access right above us. Okay, so we got some closet space right here. Here, and we'll take a look at this big guest room. Okay, you can make this into like a movie room, large bedroom. Here, and take a look. Look at the views from here. Beautiful park in the front. You got the mountain views in the back. And then the ceilings on the second floor, you're gonna have 8-foot ceilings. So this is the other bedroom. And then you got your standard closet here. Okay, this is a thermostat to control the temperature upstairs. And welcome to the primary bedroom. Okay, very spacious. So you have a little area. I think that's where you would connect your TV, right over there. Okay. Right, so welcome to the bathroom. So you got the dual sinks. Again, very nice vinyl plank flooring. And then for the shower tub, you know, you do have tile surround, which is nice. Here, this is gonna be the toilet room. And this will be your primary closet. All right, guys. That is a wrap for the tour. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.